Hello friends, today we talk about keyboards. Keyboards are necessary component to a computer or laptop, but nobody cares much about their keyboards. Keyboards have their own features and qualities you can choose from. Keyboards are basically of two types, membrane keyboards and mechanical keyboards. So as you already know, the simple ones or that we usually use are the membrane keyboards, but if you have your hands on the old legacy TVS keyboards and you like the typing experience on it, that's one because of its unique tactical feedback. It's only because it's different from the usual keyboards. And it's not a membrane keyboard, it's one is a home or mechanical keyboard. The difference you can easily understand between membrane and mechanical one is that the mechanical ones have tactical clicky sounds when you press them. Now if you go deeper, we need to understand which mechanical keyboard you should choose. There are plethora of switches you can choose from in mechanical keyboards, but let's make this simple. And what makes the mechanical keyboard clicky is their quality of the switches in it. I'm going to keep this video in short, so I'm going to talk about the switches which are easily available. The first one is Cherry MX switches. Cherry MX are a really popular brand. They provide different switches mentioned through their color names. I will add the video link in the description for the audio feel of all the Cherry MX switches. So we have already talked about Cherry MX blue switches, but there's another one also. It's called Otemu blue switches, which are easily available in India through some Chinese vendors. They sell it. Cosmic Bite, Red Dragon, Red Gear, they all use Optimum Blue switches. Optimum Blue switches are cheaper than the Cherry MX switches, so that's why Optimum Blue switches are really popular in India. Okay, so now we have already talked about the quality of the switches, the mechanical keyboard used. Now we will move on to the size of the keyboard. So there are three types of sizes that we will talk about in this video. There are many more available. You can Google it about. So the first one is HHKB, which is called Happy Hacking Keyboard Professional. Happy Hacking keyboards are not for everyone. They are just very unusual design. The second one is TKL, 10 key less keyboard, which doesn't include the numpad. If you know, like the cheapest mechanical keyboards available on Amazon, you can check it out. It's around 700 rupees to 3000 rupees, easily available from Red Dragon or Cosmic Bite. Then the other one is full size keyboard that we all usually use regularly, which include numpad and all. It includes all the keys with all the shortcuts and all the features. And after talking about the size of the keyboard, let's move on to layout. There basically are three layouts: ANSI, the American standard; second is ISO, the European standard; and the third one is JIS, the Japanese standard. Both. Now I will not bore you more, and will attach some keyboards which you can buy in really cheap price in India. So first one on our list is from Cosmic Byte, CBGK13 Neon Rambo mechanical keyboard with Otemu brown switches. And you must know that Otemu brown switches will not give you that much tactical feedback, but these are good for gaming, and also you can also use it for typing as well. They are just cost around 2099 rupees. I think this is a really good price. And second is also from Cosmic Byte, CBGK 16, which is right now out of stock. I talked to their customer support. They are saying that it will be back in stock in this month only. This is a really good keyboard with having RGB, right? Like real RGB, not the fixed colors. You can now easily customize your RGB backlights in this keyboard. This is a TKL keyboard, 10 keyless keyboard, as it's not having a numpad. And the close competitor of this keyboard is coming from Ant Esports MK1000, which is also available on Amazon for priced at rupees 2341 right now. And the another one is from Game Diaz. I think it's called Hermes E2 or E3 maybe. Yeah, it's Hermes E2 for price rupees 3099. Got 7 color backlight. It's not a fully RGB keyboard, but yeah, it's it's got 7 color fixed RGB. Yeah, that's it. That's it for this video. If you want to read more about the mechanical keyboards, you can check my article. I will link it in the description. Don't forget to check the description and do follow and subscribe. Thank you.